Hello everyone, welcome to NATUS and AFTER+TWO YEARS. In this video, I am going to explain 34th crypt arithmetic problem in the crypt arithmetic series after 2 years. After plus 2 equal years, then find the value of y, e, a, r, s and you will take a sum of those values. Here, the upper row, this is indicates for carryover or not, and the remaining values. Red color indicates the fixed value and the green color indicates the tentatively value. Okay, now after 2 years, see, this is the 3-digit number, this is a 5-digit number, and the sum is also equal to 5-digit number. Here there are no digits, this place and this place, but these two letters are different. That means these two values are different. When it possible, if carry over from this column to this column, then only 1 plus f is equal to e. These two letters are different. So, one carry over from this column to this column. And if you observe the leftmost column, these two letters are different. When if the one carry over from this column to this column, then only these two letters are different, right? 1 plus f is equal to e, 1 plus a equal to y. If you observe, 1 plus f is equal to 2-digit number. So here only 1 is there. So what is the possibility of e must be equal to 0 or not? Must be equal to 0. And 1 carry over from this column to this column. So when it possible, if f is equal to 9, 1 plus 9 is equal to 10 and 0 and 1 carry over here. Now you will fix the letter where our e exists. Just you will put 0 here. Now in this case we know only 3 letter values, that is equal to f and e. Now we will check some more possibilities. Here e is equal to 0, e plus w is equal to r. These two letters are different. When here 1 carry over from this column to this column, then only 1 plus w is equal to r. And next, sum of these two values, t plus t is equal to a, and next 2-digit number, but we don't know whether carry is exist or not. And here obviously the carry is equal to 0. Why? Because unit place. And what about this case? Here 0 or 1, that is the carry. So already we know that carries, and come to the remaining values. 1 plus 0 plus w is equal to r. That means w and r, these two letters are consecutive numbers. That is the first case. And what is the second one? R plus o is equal to s and 1 carry over. Now here r plus o is equal to s. R plus o is equal to s. And what is the s? And if you observe 1 carry over, so 10 must be there. That means r plus o must be greater than 10 or not. 10 is not possible. Why? Because already 0 allocated to e. Right? Now how many? Let us take the first case. R plus o is equal to 11. And suppose if r is equal to 2, then what is the o? O must be equal to 9. Is it possible? No, conflict with f. Why? Because already 9 allocated to f. And suppose r is equal to 3, 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Then what happened? If you substitute the value of 3 here and o, that is equal to 8 and 1 carry over. So in this case satisfied. Now we will check in other cases satisfied or not. Now here r, so you will substitute the value of r here. 1 plus 0 plus w is equal to r. So what is the value of w? W must be equal to 2. There is no conflict with any other values, right? Now you will substitute the values of 3, 8 and 1 and change it to red color. 3, 8, 1 and next w and 3 also. Here w is equal to r is equal to 3 and w is equal to 2. Now come to this value. What is this case? Here t plus t is greater than or equal to 10. Here there is no carry over here. That's why you will put 0 only. Right? There is no carry over. T plus t is greater than or equal to 10 and a must be an even number. A must be an even number. And t plus t is not equal to 10. Why? Because already 0 allocated to e. And what are the other possibilities? And suppose t plus t is equal to 10 is not valid. What about 12 is not valid? Why? Because already w is equal to 2 is not valid. And what is the next case? Suppose t plus t is equal to 14. T plus t equal to 14. Then what is the value of t? T is equal to 7. Now we will check whether 7 is valid or not. Suppose this is equal to 7. This is equal to 7. Sum of these two, that is equal to 14 and 1 carry over. And suppose 4, you will fix the 4 here. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and there is no conflict with any other number. So these conditions are also satisfied. Now you will remove the green color and you will substitute the red color. 7, 7, 4 and here also 4 and next this is equal to 5. All conditions are satisfied. Now, what is the value of y? That is equal to 5. What is the value of o? C. What is the value of e? That is equal to 0. What is the value of a? That is equal to 4. The value of r, that is equal to 3. And the value of s, that is equal to 1. Then what is the sum? 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1. That is equal to 13. So, after 2 years, what is the sum of the values of years? That is equal to 13. That's all in this video. We'll meet again on in the next video with new question. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. You will get more updates from me regularly. Thank you one and all.